Okay, so we're just going, this is the southwest corner, and just going to show you what's happening under here. So I've got to get down. So water everywhere as far as the eye can see. So there's been an accumulation of dirt. Now, one would have thought that before they put the skirt on, might have been a good idea to remove that dirt. Not sure why that didn't happen, but that's, I mean, I know that it would have been difficult because, you know, it was up close, but nevertheless it would have made more sense, because now that's actually very difficult to get out. I'm struggling to get that pile of dirt out. So what that dirt is probably doing is stopping the water from flowing to the southern side. So you can see there's substantial pools. I've been in from the other end as well, and you know, right down to probably if we go from the pile, you can see 1, 2, 3. That's completely, I think it's that one, or maybe it's the second one. Can't remember how far I got, but definitely you can see that second one is surrounded by water, but maybe even the third one. Basically, the groundwork is such that any water that gets in here is staying there. So the groundwork hasn't been done on an angle that takes it both to the south and to the east, which if you wanted water to not get under your house, that would have been the thing to do. So not sure why that wasn't done, but so that's the situation. We've got trapped dirt, which is, as any water's coming in this corner. Hopefully I've solved the problem by what I've done. I'll just show you what earthworks I've done in a second. But water, I mean, all this area here is just dry. So the problem is not so much the ground, you know, the water coming in from here, but it's water getting trapped. So basically from day one, this has not been done, how can I put it politely? Well, okay. I'll show you the earthworks I've done as well. Let me just get out. I'm actually stuck half under the house here. You can see I'm rather muddy. So let me get out here. So what I've done here is I've taken this good, probably 700 from the house. So there you go, 700 from the house. I think we'll just leave it on this western side here. I think that's fine, because that big pile is there. So it's a substantial amount of distance there, and you can see taking it all the way, and then I make it, you can see I make it into a running channel rather than taking it away from the house. The other issue was that you can see the black plastic. It's a bit hard to see because it's covered in mud, because I've walked all over it. That plastic, that polythene, was rolled up or just bunched up on the end. So not only do we have earth under there, but we had black plastic bunching up, so there was absolutely no way any water could get out at all. So hopefully I've solved the problem. Maybe the problem was that, you know, the water wasn't being able to get out, but I don't think I have solved the problem, because the problem is actually from day one, from the groundworks not being sufficiently angled. So that is the situation. So from a clarinet player's point of view, it doesn't look good. But anyway, hopefully, as John Lennon said, there are no problems, only solutions. So we'll just have to find out what that solution is. Okay, thank you.